of learning where students gain skills in critical thinking, communication, and group dynamic. Simple term is cases is nothing but a kind of situation or narration. Okay, situation means there are lots of situation occurs in your life where you were unable to resolve the issues. Okay, or there are many critical situations where you really don't know how to use your presence of mind. Okay, and how to develop a particular skills on that particular situation, because there are various situation comes where you need to attempt twice and thrice in your life. Okay, then only you can strengthen your mind so that next time the situation comes, you know how to overcome that. Okay, so now relate with the picture. Why the grandparents always tells lots of stories to their small kids? It's only because they are crying?
To teach them out under the
No,
situation.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ma'am, not
Ma'am,
only to sleep, ma'am,
They
they want
want us to see the reality.
okay. Someone has told,
They can use the solution in their real life.
yeah, they can
get well trained, ma'am.
well
they want
Can
to
trained.
use
know about the society, ma'am.
problem solution in their
Want
real
to
life.
know the society. Good, good, good answer. This is what? See, you got the answer. புது புது விஷயத்தை கத்துக்கலாம் நீங்க. நிறைய situations இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து புது See, this is what the overall concept is all about. Case study is nothing but there are various situations occurs in the real time world. Okay, maybe there are various stages are available in day to day life. See, when you are in a childhood, you might have overcome lots of situations like bullying, some kind of discrimination, or someone is underestimating you, kind of negative thoughts, or like negative attitudes, or you really don't know how to handle the situation because of the way the elder behaves with you. Okay, or when they want to try to control it, you really don't know how to handle that situation. So what this people, like older people, because they are very experienced person, so they know how to handle various situation in various way. Some people will handle certain situation by yelling at them, okay, or like shouting at them, or sometimes they will by their physical appearance, they just want to threaten someone. Okay, this is one way of handling the situation. Other way, where the elder always used to say that be calm, be patient, no need to shout. There are other way to handle it. We are experienced person. We have handled it in these situations. So finally we got this output. This is the same case study method. Each and every corporate organization always used it, because what is the main aim of the corporate people is to gain lots of skills, and whenever some situation comes, they must know how to respond it quickly. Okay, so that is why this case study method of learning plays an important role. Okay, so as I have written here, like cases are narrative, because when they say some situation, they really don't know how to react it, because every situation cannot be mentioned it in a point by point method. It should be narrated in the form of a story. Okay, like it happens like this, and they are going to show each and every situation in a part by part method. Okay, from that, what kind of problems they have faced it. Okay, and based on that problem, how they have resolved it. So kind of research, or a kind of systematic investigation they will be doing in order to resolve the issue. Some situations will be in such a way that they won't be able to resolve it. Okay, so there are many questions arises. See, uh, how this case study helps to resolve it is this case study will create or give lots of problems or queries arise. Solve it is technique. See, like how they have mentioned it as select data sampling. What is meant by this called data sampling? So they are, that is, getting lots of information, or like in a population they will select some sample, they will do a proper investigation. After a proper investigation, then they will find out an accurate solution for that particular problem or for that particular situation. There may be like 2 to 3 solution will be there, but which solution is giving a correct problem with some logical reason behind it. Okay, so that comes under this case study method of learning. So in this case study method, what they usually do is they will ask lots of people to give their own view. Okay, so when every people gives their own view, it's properly comes under a discussion based way of learning. So they will discuss when each and every person gives a logical reason for one particular problem. So they will start gaining lots of skills. It's like, practical resolving skill. So when I say critical thinking method, it is nothing but you might be getting lots of situations or like the problem based situation, or it's another word we can call it as a problem based learning. In this problem based learning, what they do is there are many situations where your presence of mind doesn't work properly, because it gives a lots of solution where you really don't know what exact solution you need to implement in order to resolve this issue, and what kind of communication is really needed, so that, or in what way the communication is needed, so that the problem will get resolved. The only way of learning is through case study. That is why grandmother they used to say during your childhood that there are many situations, how they have faced the issues and how they have resolved it, and what kind of problem they have not resolved it and how they have overcome it. Okay. What problem? Okay, so once they started narrating, okay, then they know that this is how we need to resolve the issue. So they will tell this to their grandchildren, so that during their stage, because this is the stage where they will not analyze it but they will remember. Okay, so analyzing part will come in the later stage. Initial part is they hello, sorry guys, sorry about it. Can you hear me? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's what I said. So in this situation, the older people, yeah. So the older people, when they keep on explaining about some concept, okay. So these people will help you to remember in such a way that there is no time for them to analyze. They will analyze in each and every stage. As I was telling about an example of a small kid, so the teacher will teach a small kid about the alphabetical part. They will not teach like the sentence making in the age of like 2 or 3. So what is the main concept is they just need to remember the alphabets. like A, B, C, D till Z. They will keep on asking them to memorize it. Okay, till A to Z, they will memorize. The same way, grandmother also tell lots of story, but we people, when we are in a younger age, like a baby age, so that is toddler age, what we usually say. In that age, we usually don't analyze it or we don't understand properly. We just listen the story, okay, and keep it in our mind. That is, we will embed everything in our mind, okay. But after few times, like in each and every stage, when we try to face lots of problem, this kind of the stories which each our elder people, they used to they used to narrate it, we will try to recollect it, like what kind of solution they have told us. So during each and every critical situation, we will try to recollect that and try to implement it. But sometimes, that we call it as a learning cycle. We are going to see it in next class about like types of, that is case study learning. But now we are just going to see the introduction part. Right. So in this, what happened is these people, that is during case study method. Okay, so these people will try to recollect whatever their grandparents have told them and try to implement it during a critical incident method. Okay, so once they started doing that, they will find out or they will analyze it like, yes, it has been resolved. Or sometimes like what grandma has told, maybe it may be suitable during that time, maybe in this generation it is not getting suited. Okay, so there are various confusion take place in order to take a judgment or take a proper decision or judging the people. So now we are going to see that is what kind of skill is focused on this case study method. Just a moment. Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now we have like skilled learning through case study. So in this case study method, how we are going to learn it? Like what are the skills we are going to learn it from them? First is like analysis and critical thinking. So as I already told you, like our grandparents, they used to narrate lots of stories, everything. Okay, so it will be stored it in our brain. But when this analysis and critical thinking comes, when the real situation occurs, and in our brain's database we are going to take one logic or one things which has been told by our grandparents, and we are going to fetch the information, try to analyze it whether it is suitable for this situation or not. Okay, so whether it will be applicable during my critical situation or critical thinking or not, because there are many critical incident happens where we really don't know how to resolve it. So this solution, many solution which might be given by our grand yeah. So our grandparents have, I mean, they initially don't have the knowledge of taking a proper decision in their initial stage. Okay, so how they usually do is like each and every stage they might have done lots of mistakes. From their mistakes, they come to a proper solution. So maybe one time they will do the mistake, second time they will do the mistake, third time, fourth time, okay, but not all the time, because each and every time it will be like a lesson learned for them, okay, and they store it in their history, it seems like in their brain. So when they start narrating it, they will teach them like how to take a decision making process. Same concept applies in corporate. So they will be documented each and every situation in a form of a file, and they will narrated that like this kind of situation may occur, so it is your responsibility to take this kind of decision during these situations. So this case study method will help us to enhance the skill of making a decision. Right. Then next is like judging between course of action. So before taking any action, this case study will help us to judge, it's like judge before itself, because like if you are taking action and after you are taking judgment, it's like a wrong decision. So what they usually do is before taking an action, they will create a kind of skill where you know how to judge it properly. Decision making is different, and are many problem occurs. Okay, and each and every problem has different kind of cause and factors. Okay, so when you're saying that because of this reason, this problem has arisen, so you guys will assume a lots of things, and sometimes some people will strongly assume. I mean, they will not say that they are assuming, but they will give a strong statement, not even know that they are just assuming it. Okay, but in case study method, that assumption should be come in a, that is, it gives a positive result. See, hope you know about this research. In research, when any problem comes, initially what they do is after finding out certain problems, okay, they will assume it, that is whether this factor and this factors are related with each other. So unless and otherwise, if you are strongly assuming that these two factors, for example, because of my because of my mobile I got a severe headache, if I am assuming this, and if I am doing a research about this, which means these both variables, that is the assumption is right. Okay, sometimes in case study also it happens the same thing. Handling assumption, there are many people who give lots of assumption to you, but you must know how to handling that situation. That is strong assumption. The assumption will be in such a way that it shows a kind of reality, but you must know how to handle the correct assumption. Okay, then presenting a point of view. The presenting a point of view is like, as I said, each and every people, they might have face lots of issues. So from their own case study, you are learning many things from them. Okay, so at least you have understood something from them, and you are presenting your point of view in a correct way in case any situation comes. Okay, simple example is like, uh, if you want to say about, and one small baby, she is keep on crying. Okay, each and every people can say like it's because of that only, but unless and otherwise, if you have done a strong case study about it, you can easily know that why these kids are crying. Okay, after a detail, with each and every case study skill, that is case study, from that how much skills you have learned from that, and at least you can recognize the real fact about it. Okay, then we have like listening and understanding others. So case study is the only one where it will strengthen your understanding skill in such a way that when someone is talking, in the middle of that, when you're listening to them, you can clearly understand like what exactly he's talking about. See, for example, if I'm talking about internet issues, okay, in my mobile, so if I, I need to go there, and there are certain things where I'm unable to resolve it. So if you are a layman person, you really don't know what I'm talking about. But if I'm talking about YouTube, okay, like I'm trying to logging in, and I'm trying to posting my YouTube, so most of the people can understand easily, because each and every people are using YouTube. there are many problems they might have faced it. So you will be easy, you will feel easy to explain me in a clear way. So you can easily listen it and also you can understand us. Okay, relating theory to practice. So that's what in case study is the only way where you can learn many things. Okay, but you are not implementing it from your end. So that is the reason I have shown